Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Sona, and today's video I am going to try finger coiling, and the two products that I am going to use, I'm going to compare these two products. One of them will be on this side and then the other one will be on the other side. So the first product that I am going to use on this side, on my right, is going to be Frizz Styling Custard from SAFFIYAH Botanical. I have used this product and this is the third time I'm using this product. So I'm going to use it on my right hand side. Then on my left hand side, I am going to use the Eco Styling Gel. I have been using Eco Styling Gel since I was natural, so I know this product. I love these two products. So now I am going to compare them to see which one will give me the results that I am looking for. So that being said, let's go straight to the process. I started with a freshly washed hair. As you can see, I wash my hair in the morning and I put some leave-in conditioner and oil. So those are the only two products that I have in my hair. So now I'm going to pat them and then we'll see what happened next. I'm spraying water in my hair to make it a little bit wet so that it will be easy for me to pat my hair. So now I took my comb and then I'm going to do the patting that I want. I'm going to do a side pat. The patting doesn't need to be perfect. You can use any pat. You can even use your fingers to pat your hair. It doesn't have to be perfect. The most important patting, that is like your side part, you want that one to be neat. So that is why I'm having my part. You can see how neat it is. Now I'm just going to twist my hair so that I can start with the first part. Now I am going to use my comb and then pat my hair. I'm patting small section. You can see how the product is. It has a gel creamy texture. So I'm going to take this much and apply it on my hair. Let's see how my curls are without doing anything. I love this product. I further divided my parted hair into medium square and roll it around my fingers to win it together and create a single curl. I tighten up the root because I don't want my hair to be puffy. When it is done, I move to the next one. That is pretty much how I curl each section, as you can see. The process is very simple. Just continue making your square, adding the gel and coiling all the way down. I didn't pat my hair neatly like other naturals because I am looking for that luxe look when it's dry out. My pats are medium because this is my first time doing finger coiling and I don't know what the results will be once I'm done. This is my curls halfway done so far. I'm beginning to like them, but to tell you the truth, it is very difficult to curl my hair. I don't know if it is my hair pattern or the product that I use, but I have to curl my hair many times before it curls together. Now with the other half of my hair, I'm using the Eco Styling Gel. I take a little bit of the gel, apply it to my parted hair and start coiling. The first differences I notice using these two products are: Eco Styler is lighter when you put it in your hair, unlike the Frizz, and also Frizz coil my hair faster than the Eco Styling Gel. I'm done coiling my whole head, and you can see that there are some which don't coil perfectly on both sides, especially the side that I use the Eco Styling. I am now putting bands to my coils so that my hair doesn't shrink when it dries. From there, I allow my hair to air dry for almost 6 hours with the help of a 30-minute hair dryer. Now my hair is 95% dry. I am unraveling the bands. See the first part, it looks so pretty. In comparing the two products, the Frizz Styling Custard gave me more length and it doesn't leave any product build up, unlike the Eco Styling Gel. On the other hand, the Eco Styling Gel gave me more volume with a little bit of product build up. My overall opinion on these two products are: if you really want volume with your style, you can go for the Eco Styling Gel, and if you prefer length, go for the Frizz Styling Custard. But I love both products. I love the overall results and I am going to rock this style for 2 weeks. Thank you so much, my lovely family, for watching my video. Once again, I will see you in my next one. Bye.